Hello everyone. Hit it. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so very glad to have you. All right, y'all, welcome back. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with a video. I got a question from Life is Creating. This person was asking me about pretty much about Mod Podge. Like they said that when they use Mod Podge, sometimes their items get sticky. Now, I know that there are many different products out there that you can use as a gloss and a concealer to that you can use to put, I'm sorry y'all, that you can use to put on your products to give it a shine. Now these two right here is what I use. I am not a, my items doesn't have to have that wonderful super gloss, and I don't have anything against anybody that have their stuff really glossed out, but that's something that you have to teach yourself how to do, and I don't know how to do it. So since I don't know how to do that, I don't use it because I have ran into problems where my items did get sticky and I don't like it. Okay, the one thing that I can say about Mod Podge is that it's a glue, it's a water-based sealer, glue and finish. Okay, and this one is, now these, I have two different ones. This one is a gloss one. This will put a shine on your items, and this is a matte look. It'll give you a shine, but it won't give you a shine like this. Okay, now I'm going to do a test on some earrings that I made. Now I made these earrings a while ago, okay? And I used this Mod Podge right here. I'm going to dip this in water because the one thing about Mod Podge is supposed to be a sealant in it, okay? To seal whatever you paint. So whatever you paint, once you use this, you paint this over top of whatever you paint, it's supposed to seal it so it doesn't, so that, you know, when people, when you sell it and people buy it and they wear it, it's supposed to pretty much protect your design or whatever it is that you have created. So I'm going to see, I've never done this before. I'm going to dip this in some water and see whether or not if anything that I've put on here is going to come off. Now this elephant that I created, I made from a stencil, and I used I did use that Mod Podge. Okay, so I'm going to dip it in water, and this is a test just to see whether or not if it's really going to seal what I have on here. Okay, what I made of the paint, the glitter, and all that good stuff. So we're really going to see. This is just a trial test. Okay, so I'm going to take it and dip it in this water. I'm going to let it sit for a minute or two so that we can see what happens. Now I did paint this when I put the when I used the Mod Podge. Okay, I put it on. I only did one coat, and I put it on the front, the back, and the sides of this. Okay, and I just want to see whether or not if it's going to if it's really going to seal my paint and my glitter that I put on here, or whether or not if it's going to come off. So I still have it sitting under here. All right, so I'm going to take this out and we're going to see how it worked. All right, I had it submerged under there quite some time, y'all. So let's just see if it's really going to do the trick. And it did. It did just what it said it was going to do. Just what it said it was going to do, it did. Okay, so this right here, this is what I use. This is, I like using this. And even if you get the glossy gloss, if you go off and you get the glossy gloss, you know, you have to teach yourself how to use it, because there are ways for you to use those type of glosses. Okay, so this is the end result. Nothing came off. Glitter is still intact. Everything is still intact. And so this is a winner right here. So I don't, when I make my items, I only, sometimes I only do one coat, but when I do one coat, I put a nice coat on there. The thing about Mod Podge as well, it also, when you put it on, it's white, like this. It always have this slime. I don't know why it makes this slime stuff, but you put it on, and I only put on one coat. And when I put on my one coat, and sometimes I shake it up too when I use it. Make sure you shake it up. And I don't and then I don't have to worry about, and I'm going to show you another item that I did. I did this one right here. And you can see the shine. Okay? And when you put it on, I don't do multiple coats. You know, I just, this is pretty much how I like to do my earrings. Okay? So I hope this helps. Life is creating. I hope I answered your question. I don't use any other kind of sealer for my earrings. This is basically all I use. I use this one or this one. And this is the one that I used yesterday. If I did a video, a how to make video making a bracelet, and this is the one that I used yesterday doing the bracelet. So with that being said, I want to take the time out to say thank you all for watching. I greatly appreciate it. I hope this has helped. And please give this video a like, comment, share. And until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.